Recap. Police Hospital has one-stop crisis center operated since 2005. During this 7 years' time, we have done a lot. More than 48% of sex crime lab investigation and more than 16% of rape case examined. We have learned a lot too. Sexually transmitted disease screening and treatment for the benefit of survivors, rape-related pregnancy counseling and intervention, psychosocial well-being managed by multidisciplinary and interagency collaboration and cooperation. We still need to learn and share because we care. So please get in touch.